This quick screencast will introduce you to the navigation in Q1. This is especially important if you are new to Canvas. Once you are logged into Canvas, you should see your dashboard with the course card for this course. You will also notice icons on the left side of the screen. You will want to become familiar with these, especially the account area, as this is where you will set up your profile and set your notifications. All of the instructions will be found in the Start area of the course. You will also notice on the right side of the screen is a to-do list. These are the assignments that are placed on the list according to the dates that they are due that are set in Canvas. Upon entering the course site, you will see the home page. You can navigate through the modules by clicking on the icon located on the home page for the module in which you would like to enter. To navigate through the modules, you will scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the next icon, which takes you to the very next page in the module. You also can navigate through the modules by clicking on the module link on the course menu. In doing so, the content and the assignments appear in a linear fashion. One thing that you will notice when you're viewing the course by the modules page is the check marks that appear for the content that you've already accessed. You will see this check mark, and it's a great way for you to keep track of progress in the course. I hope that this answers any questions that you may have regarding Canvas navigation. Should you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your course facilitators.